Picture niya sa tayo. Hi kids! Eh, sumbong ba sumbong? Sumbong? Pada sumbong dyan.
We're in.
Wait, ate. Wait, no, no. Ha? Disgusting? Part-time worker. Cleaner. Let's go, Frew! Picture ta? Ta. Let's go. Inside. Shark! Sa shark! Ano? Uy, nakabalik na ba sa Piria? Siapa si Priya? Fishy. Where's the fish? Where's the horse? Right there. Wow. Okay, go. Oh no.
Did you see the fish?
Oh, may fish. Shell. I have fish today.
According to that, we see animals from all over the world. I see animals in every single continent. But all the animals in this room right here are ones that find right here in Northern Ireland, including this big fella I'm holding right now. Anyone tell me what that is? That's starfish. Absolutely. So this is the slimy starfish, the largest species of starfish in the world.
Starfish for you, ate. Hold. Yeah! You're scared? Big fish! Wow, lamihan na eh. Gigutom. Lamig pritohon. Agoy, kalamihan na eh. Ha? Baby shark?
What's that?
Baby shark daw.
Baby shark.
Ay, boy, look! Wow! Mga gutom ano eh. Mga gutom. Oh, janitor fish. Today. What's that? Baby shark. Go right there. Yeah. Wow, look at this. Where's Mama? Look for Mama. Jellyfish? Big one dito eh. Bang. Tawag yate.
Two fish. Wala
Tama
ka
pa daw.
nag-stamp.
Ang map.
Tara, mag-stamp ta. Where we should stay?
Hi, look! Ano,
Tropical
Tropical rainforest. Hala, what's this? Ano eh? Mamandali ah. 2, 3. Uy, basaan yung singot mo ay. Ah, look, what's the rainforest? Hala, look at him. Uy, Ate Sophia, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ate Sophia, oh, bye-bye. Look, Ate Sophia, look. Look. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. How was this? Look, snake! Pretty snake, look at snake. Look for the snake for you. Let's go. Snake. Where there's the snake, oh. Here, look the snake. Look, snake! Scary!
What's that?
It's like abot.
Ay, you can see. Find. Where? Oh, snake. Are you scared with the snake? Are you scared? Are you scared? No.
Pare. Oy! Don't draw, ay! Very good. Very good.
Another color. What color is that?
Color? Ah, like that. Gate, go. Si ate.
Here, here. Green.
Ito yung color pala. O, damo ko na priyo, oh. Babae. Kate. Kate lang.
Naka-lipstick siya, blue.
Ito yung blue. Aha. Ay, kapriya. Oh. Kate, go. Ida pa taglakawon, oy. Ito si Pia, be.
Tingnan lang yung pag-drawing natin para mag-picture namin
Nasay ka na nito. Nanginig. Ang drawing diri kay i-print. Diri tapos to life. Mabutang diri unya. 3D, 4D. More.
Oh. Freya. Isa ba naman pagkasulat eh?
Freya man na. Ulat R. Pati R. Pre.
Okay na, Ardan na. Okay, done. Okay, na, scan.
Press the button.
Wait lang, eh. Wait lang.
Where's Freya? Portal. Look the portal. Wow! Whoa! Freya fish. Go Freya fish. Freya fish horse. Look for your.
Press the button.
Press the button. Muna natin, kuha natin.
Freya.
Look Freya, look. Oh, Freya. There, Freya. There. Freya. Freya. Ay, may kiss-kiss ka, Freya. May kiss-kiss. Didi. Oh, sige, kapoy na ni, katugan ni. Let's go, katawag Didi. Pagkubos na, kapoy. Sikot na kayo.
I don't know. No firework. So, Andy, guess what this is? So, right here, so this is the shell of a sea turtle. Give us a go up there. feel how tough it is? There you go, don't be shy. It's really, really, really tough. Now, what do you think a turtle shell is made out of? What do you think? Plastic? Plastic. Always feels a bit like plastic, doesn't it? Is it real? No, it's not made of plastic. It's not made of rock or wood or anything like that. In fact, a turtle shell is made out of bone.
Bone?
Right here. See, that's the turtle's backbone. You feel the middle of your back? You can feel your spine.
Did they?
That's
Okay,
the
let's
same
go.
body part as this. You feel your sides.
Wow.
You feel your ribs. That's the same.
Tubig. Stay hydrated. Okay. Hide, hide. Ice cream, ice cream. Gipakaon ng ice cream. Ice cream. Yeah! Naulaw, naulaw, naulaw. Ay, kakaano, naulaw lang siya, naulaw. Parang Jamil. Basta-basta. Basta-basta? Over there? Oh, no way! Oh, no way! Oh, moga, moga! Oh, no!
What do I do?
Oh. Wala man po di ka si Piona. Gusto si Ana. Tek, malapit ra ba? Ay man na.
Mga o naman.
Let's go. Oh, bye-bye na daw. Ulit na ta. Bye-bye. Oh, magkaon pa din sa hotel. Oh, dagat, oh, dagat. Dagat. Ligo, ligo, ligo. Ini shot. Siapa yang main?
Kita bubu.
Mabubu, wag! Huwag ko ito, mabubu yung man.
Wait, can I?
Ang sa warp karon kay Asabisiha kay dagi foreigner o mga taga Davao may foreigner taga side oh mahimbisir kayo oh lagi foreigner dito sa warp ang kayo pwede mo sa kanan 20 per taon na 20 per taon kapon. Iwan sa na po yun. Natulog din eh.
Ay, want some chips?
Nagkatulog, ikapoy oh. Okay na, thank you. Ay, okay, anong bata malit. Ay, pa nakahome oh, nagkatulog oh. Isang isuga ba kayo? Isuga. Isuking, gamay ka ha? Gamay ka, isuking ka ha?